If you ever need to reinstall Windows 11, there is an easy-to-use tool from Microsoft to create a bootable USB. You can also use this installation media for recovery when the operating system is corrupted or your system has trouble booting. Before you begin to create the Windows 11 media, you will need a USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of available space. It's best to use a blank one, as this process will erase any data saved on it. You could also use a blank DVD, although we strongly recommend using a USB, as we will demonstrate. To read up on the full details, refer to our Dell guide on how to create a Windows installation media for Windows by clicking the link shown. Follow these steps to create the installation media. Go to microsoft.com/software-download/Windows 11. Click the link shown to access the site directly. Under the section Create Windows 11 Installation Media, expand before you begin to review the requirements outlined before proceeding. When you're ready, click on Download Now. After the download is complete, click on it to open. Click Yes to allow, and the setup will begin. Accept the terms, and make sure the box for Use the recommended options for this PC is ticked, and the proper language in addition will be automatically detected. If you want to create a recovery media for a different system, untick this option and change the language in addition to be of that system. With that done, click Next. Select the USB flash drive option and click Next, then select the appropriate USB drive from the list and click Next again to initiate the process. Keep in mind that if not using a blank flash drive, all the data will be erased during this process. The time it takes for this to run its course varies depending on the internet speed and the system specs, but you will be able to use your PC during this time. When the USB flash drive is ready, click Finish and wait for the download process to fully complete. If you're having trouble with your apps crashing, watch our video for help with that. Just click the link shown. Follow these steps to use the installation media. Insert the USB flash drive into the PC that you want to install or recover Windows 11. Restart the PC. When the Dell logo appears, start tapping the F12 key to access the one-time boot menu. From the list of boot devices, select the USB that has the Windows 11 image, and the system will restart and boot into the installation environment. Once the Windows setup screen appears, select the language, time, and keyboard preferences. Click Next and follow the on-screen instructions. Don't click on Install Now if you don't want to fully reinstall Windows but would rather use the recovery options, but click on Repair Your Computer instead. By doing this, you will access the recovery options for Windows that are available with the installation media. If you still need help or have any questions, contact us through social media at Dell Cares on Twitter for further assistance. There are many other video tutorials available on this channel, so become a subscriber today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And thanks for watching this Dell Tech Support video production.